Syrian forces and their allies have now retaken more than 90% of rebel-held territory in eastern Aleppo. The insurgents have been reduced to just pockets of resistance. With the Syrian government on the verge of victory, international focus is now on civilians trapped in the city. But speaking in Belgrade, Russia's foreign minister says ceasefire talks and a rebel withdrawal could only happen once the fighting has stopped. We say, keeping in mind our previous experience when the militant used any break to regroup and receive reinforcement from abroad and terrorize the peaceful population even more fiercely, let us initially agree on which corridors will be created. We can agree on that with the Americans very quickly. Washington has expressed frustration with the Russian position and is pushing for an immediate truce.
Yesterday.
Rather than accepting the U.S. proposal for an immediate cessation, the Russians informed us that a cessation could not start for several days, meaning that the assault by the regime and its supporters on Aleppo would continue until any agreement would go into effect. Given the dire situation in Aleppo and the reports of continued attacks on civilians and infrastructure, this was just simply not acceptable.
UN Chief Ban Ki-moon has voiced alarm over unconfirmed reports of atrocities against large numbers of civilians in the last 24 hours. Activists and residents claim at least 79 civilians have been summarily executed by pro-government militias.